Hey everybody, Justin Sardi here. Thanks for taking a moment to check out VideoJac. And I know that you just saw a small demo on the webinar, or maybe you saw the whole demo, but I just wanted to, I know we covered that a little bit, probably went over that a little fast, so I just want to take a second to give you the quick rundown again. Now, once again, this is the inside of VideoJac. And as you can see here, we have all these video templates that Neil was showing you. We've got professional templates, and these are actors with text overlay, voiceovers on some of them, music. And then there's the visual effects templates. These are similar to something you could create on Adobe After Effects. There's also business templates in here. We've got all these different local niches that you can target here, and these are all super simple to edit. We've got the video scribe templates, which are whiteboard videos with the animation, and the cool thing about these is they're completely editable. Most video scribe videos, when you get them, you get what you get. Honestly, with most videos you get what you get, and the cool thing about VideoJac is it allows you to actually edit all of these videos. Then we have the text templates, and these are just more generic text overlay kind of templates. Now, one thing that I want to note is if you're not into any of these templates, or if you're not going to need these particular templates for the job you're doing, say you need something more custom, it's extremely easy to upload any video, any stock footage, anything like that, audio, images, anything you could want really. You can upload it into here and create your own templates. There's also the video library, which is filled with a bunch of stock footage that you can flip through and create your own templates using that, your own videos as well. And then there's the audio library that also has all of this stock audio that you can use. All of this is royalty free. You're allowed to use all of this for whatever you need. There's also the image library, and same thing here. This is just a bunch of stock images that come with VideoJac. Pretty cool stuff. Then in here is my images, my audio, and you see my images. I've uploaded our Rising Ideas logo already. Here in my video, we've got our Rising Ideas video intro, like my marketer's video intro. And we can preview these, but it doesn't work very well with Camtasia for some reason. It slows the computer down a bit, but you get the point. So I would be able to take this and drop it right in front of any other video, or one of these templates even, and just get a cool little video intro for our company. Now, I know Neil already showed you how to edit all these templates very simply. I'll give you a quick rundown of that real quick. Say I want to edit this life template right here, and take a second to load. Alright, so you drag the playhead over, see where you're at, what's going on at the video at that point. So say I want to meet James and life before Justin's business. Alright, now as you can see, it kind of formatted a little weird because I added some extra words in there. So all I really have to do is I can move this positioning around, which is pretty cool, and you can scale it as well. The scale, you just want to play around with it, figure out what looks best. Also, there are all these different texts you can use, and you can go through those, check them all out. There's quite a few in there. Pretty cool. And you can also change the text color to whatever you want. That's brutal on the eyes, but anyway, you get the point there. And you can also change the size. Say I want it super large. Obviously that doesn't fit, but if you just have one word, that's great. Extra small, a little too small there, but that's essentially what's going on. So most of these templates, all you have to do is edit the first and the last slide. And like I said, you can create your own, get them more customized if you want, and you can change any of this text at any time as well if you're not happy with it. Say you need something a little different, but it's pretty cool. These come pre-copywritten, scripted, so you really don't have to do much. Then all I have to do to edit this one is click, throw in my business name, my phone number, my website there, and that will all update for you. Alright, from there all I'd have to do is click save, and we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Now there's two different things you can do from there. You can either publish it, which takes a minute just like any other video editing software. It'll take a minute to render your video and change it into an MP4. Once that's all done, all you have to do is go into download, and your video will be up here. Once again, I didn't click publish, but you'll have a little option. Another bubble will pop up right here, and it'll say download. And it downloads as an MP4. You can do with it what you want, whether it's upload to YouTube or anything like that. I just realized I couldn't spell update. All right. So the other feature right there. Okay, there we go. Gotta save it again. Is the share feature. Now this is that dynamic embed code that we were talking about. It's just like a YouTube embed code. Right here, all I would have to do is copy and paste this. It can be embedded anywhere that a video needs to go or can go. And from there, once that embed code is, you only have to do that once, but once that's put on your website, say I wanted to make a small change, or even a large change, say I wanted to completely redo this video. All I would have to do is make a change, click save again, and that automatically, without having to do anything besides edit it and click save, wherever that video is embedded, it will be updated based on the changes that I just made, which is really cool stuff. Now, one other thing that I want to point out here is there are calls to action. Now these calls to action are pretty cool. They work similar to a YouTube annotation. It's just an overlay. You can say I want to throw this call to action in here. Alright, as you can see, the media, I can sorry about that. I can drag and drop, say I want my company logo over this. I'll just drop this here, pull this one out, and as you can see, I'd have to scale it, position it a little bit. I can change the transparency, blend it a little bit, but essentially that I can put any text, logos, images, anything I want, and that is how the calls to action works. I can put the URL in right here. Oops. And when I click that, it will take me to risingideas.com. So that works with the dynamic embed feature, which is really cool. And that link can be anything. It can be your website, it can be an affiliate link, it can be a CPA offer, whatever you want really. So you can see the power in that right there. And one other effect I wanted to point out was the watermark. You can watermark any of your videos. So say you have a video that you're doing for a client or a potential client. Maybe just, you can see how easy it is to edit these videos in here. Maybe you just have an assistant or yourself, since it only takes 5 minutes, make a video for a local business you want to target, and you can just watermark it. Send that video over to them, and if they decide they want to purchase it, all you have to do is remove the watermark. So there's a lot of potential there, and as you can see, there are a ton of other effects as well. There's also transitions, so you can transition between scenes when you're creating your own videos. I think I covered just about everything in here. I know it seems like there might be a lot in there, but don't worry, there are video tutorials on VideoJac.com where it'll give you a quick rundown of all these different features. And we also, as you can see below, we have kickoff sessions regularly where the creator of VideoJac, James, will jump on and answer any and all of your questions, as well as show everyone some really cool tips and tricks for using the system. I think that about wraps it up for me. Thanks for your time, and I will talk to you later. Bye.